right, so just something I wanted to show is a test that I put in place. So basically when there's a form submitted from TikTok, just a basic form submit, and then I can probably pick some other form submits as well. We could do Facebook lead form submit. You can choose what triggers this, right? It doesn't really matter. These are just standard inside of high level. High level is my CRM. It's just an all-in-one marketing tool. It allows you to do a lot of different things, text people to follow up, email them. You can tag them, put them into different lists. You can run automations like this. You can add Facebook conversion API, which is what I did with this example. But what's also interesting as a data heavy consultant, so I'm a marketing data consultant, I can send information to Google Analytics. So I could go G dash, let's just make something up. Then I can say form submit generate lead, and then GHL lead, whatever. And we can say the value for someone like this is $100. Doesn't matter. Switch over to GA4 for this. Oh, they're gonna change this, of course. My bad. I should have known that. Known better. And then I can put in an API secret, looks something like that. And if I save it, so not only am I going to get information sent over the Facebook conversion API, I can also send it to Google Analytics. I can also send it to Google Ads. If you were paying attention, you could see that on the side when I was choosing Google Analytics. So the good thing about it is you can kind of use this as a, I don't know, as a chain reaction. It's like one domino tips over the next and the next and the next. So anytime you notice TikTok has nothing to do with Facebook at all, LinkedIn has nothing to do with Facebook at all. However, both of those situations where there's a form submitted, someone showing interest in what we've got going on, I can then send an event to Facebook Conversion API, which is really powerful because all it does is it essentially takes that event and sends it to Facebook and says, hey, this is the type of person that would be good for a lead inside of Facebook as well. So then we can go find that person in Facebook to retarget them. Let's assume, you know, I'm assuming a lot, but we can assume that they're on TikTok as well as LinkedIn as well as Facebook. And no matter where they come from initially as a traffic source, I can still get that information back over to Facebook in order to make good decisions. I can also get it back over to Google Ads to make good decisions. And that looks like this. So I can send them here as a qualified lead. In this case, this is based on the account that's set up and connected to this workflow. And so all these things can happen in an automated way because of better data going into the system. So I highly encourage that you use high level. It's a 14-day free trial, and then I believe it's $100 a month for the basic one. It's the one that I'm using right now. And you'll be able to connect everything and have the same exact setup. However, you don't have access to the Facebook Conversion API unless you go and set this up. So you would have to make sure that you are using the full capability of the system from a data standpoint in order to get these things all connected and speaking to each other essentially. All right, thanks.